Children, today we will discuss about the how to identify which quadrant angle belongs and what is its value. If ever big angles are given in trigonometry, if ever very big angles are given, because we only know 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. Please open the table and keep children, everyone. Open the table which I have given now. Just now I have given the table. Please open the table and keep with you. Okay, so children, yesterday I was telling all silver tea cups means what? Means here all trigonometric ratios are positive. Silver means here sine and inverse of sine cosecant are positive. Here tan and cot are positive. Here C means cos and secant are positive. Just remember, children. So now what is my intention today to tell means big angles, if ever they give, how to identify very big angles. Big angles means what, sir? You will get doubt. Like children, we know sine 0, 0. We know sine 30, 1 by 2. You know sine 40, 1 by root 2. You know sine 60, root 3 by 2. You know sine 90, 1. Like that, all sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant, you know. But if ever they give big angles, like suppose, one example, sine 315 degrees is how much I will ask. You should be in a position to identify its value. How to identify its value, I will tell slowly. Try to listen. 3 sums I will tell. Please listen, children. Mute your audios, all of you. 3 sums I will tell. Next 3 sums you tell, okay? Always divide this with 90, children. Why with 90 means 4 quadrants, each one is 90 degrees only, no? Divide with 90. So, 90 into 2 is 180. After 180, okay, 90 into 2 is 180. 1 second, children. This is not 315. 1 second. Yeah. Okay. So 90 into 2. 1 second, children. 90 into 3. I mean to say 90 into 3 is 270. After 270, you have to divide like this and you have to check, children. If ever you have confusion, 90 into 3 is 270. 45 is left over, plus 45. You should write like this. First important thing what you have to remember in this is, if here it is odd, sine will become cos. Cos will become sine. If here it is even, sine remains as sine only. Again, I'm saying, don't get confused. Here, if it is odd, sine becomes cos, cos becomes sine. Tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan. Secant becomes cosecant, cosecant becomes secant. Remember this. So children, since this is odd, it will become cos. What cos? Cos 45. It will become cos 45. And we all know the value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. This is fine. Now already, which quadrant, sir, you will ask. Now which quadrant? 315 will come in which quadrant? Can anyone tell? 315 comes in which quadrant?
Fourth, second quadrant.
Fourth quadrant. Automatically we can say fourth quadrant. Automatically 350. See children, this is 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360. 315 automatically comes in fourth quadrant. No doubt about that. If you didn't understand, 3 quadrants are over. This is in fourth quadrant. 3 quadrants are over. This is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, is cos positive or negative? Children, in fourth quadrant,
negative.
Is see, the question is regarding sine. The question is regarding sine. In fourth quadrant, sine is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. So answer is minus 1 by root 2. That's all. Sir, we got cos 45. No, sir, you don't ask. Question is sine. So here we have to remember 3 things, children. What is 3 things? Means odd or even. Odd means sine will become cos, cos will become sine. Tan will become cot, cot will become tan. Secant will become cosecant, cosecant will become secant. That is 1. Number 2, which quadrant we have to select? Number 3, we have to give its plus or minus. Seeing the question, not this one. Seeing the question, you have to give the answer. Okay, definitely first sum you will be having confusion. Don't worry, children. Once you do 3-4 sums, it will become a cakewalk for you. And these are the basic sums in higher level, in 11th class and 12th class. These are the basic sums. First they will discuss this and then they will launch into the trigonometry. Okay, anyone those who didn't understand, second sum I'm doing, children, for your understanding. Okay, little bit bigger angle we will do, children. Cos minus 480. Cos minus 480. Children, only in cos, remember, even minus is plus. Only in cos, that is. Cos and secant. Cos minus also plus only. So the question is cos 480. Now, first we should divide this with what? 90. If you divide with 90, please see, children. 90 5s are 450, 30 is remainder. 90 into 5 plus 30. Children, is it odd or even? Anyone? Is it odd or even?
Odd.
Odd. So cos will
Odd,
become?
sir.
Cos
Sine.
will become? Sine. Very good. Sine 30. Now sine 30 value is how much? 1 by 2. I
1
asked
by
you
2.
to open the table and keep ready. Now, which quadrant? 480 comes in which quadrant? 480 comes in which quadrant? Okay.
Fourth quadrant.
Yes, children, 480. See here, 360. 360 plus 90 is 450.
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant. It will come in second quadrant. In second quadrant, the sign is positive or negative? Sorry. In second quadrant, cos is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. So answer is negative. Cos is negative. Sine and cosecant are only positive. Then you will get out, sir. 480 means seeing all these things becomes difficult for us. Is there any other easy method, sir? You will ask. Yes, children, there is one easy method to identify that also. What is that? Divide this with 4. 4 ones are 4. 1 is the remainder. Means what is one remainder? Means one quadrant is over. Go to the second quadrant. One remainder is left over. No, one quadrant is over. Go to the second quadrant. It means if suppose 2 comes here, 2 over, go to 3. If suppose 3 comes here, 3 over, go to 4. Like that. Okay, no problem, children. If you do the sums, you will understand. One more sum also I will tell. Little bit bigger angle I will take, children, so that you will become more confident regarding this. Sine 1125. I'm telling you now, children, big angles, sine 1125. First, you have to divide with 90, as I said, 1125. 90 ones are 92, 3, 2, 25. 92s are 180, 93s are 270. When I do this 270, am I correct, children? I'm doing correct. 5. No. Is it 1125 only? 1125 means it won't come. I think it is 1115 then. Okay, 5, 1 second, children. Did I do any mistake? 1 second. Let's check again. 90, 1125. 91s are 90. 225. 92s are 180. Yeah, I did correct only. I did wrong. Little bit small mistake. Now, children, 90 into 12 plus 45. Children, is it even or odd?
Even, sir.
Even means sign remains as sign only. Even means sign remains as sign only. Sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Now, 12 means which quadrant? 12 means which quadrant?
First quadrant.
Very good. 4 3s are 12. 0 means rotations over. This is in first quadrant. 0 remainder means rotations over. This is in first quadrant. Here 0 you got rotations over first quadrant. Here 1 came means 1 over second quadrant. Here 2 came means 2 over third quadrant. Here 3 came means 3 over fourth quadrant. So in first quadrant all are positive plus. Okay. Anyone wants to tell now? Who wants to tell first question? Who wants to tell? Who is that? Vikram?
Yes, sir.
Come on, first question. You want to say this? Okay, chalo, let's give tan 765. I will help you. No need to worry. Come on, try. Very good. Divide 765 with
20.
Okay, so what you'll get? 9 8s are
9 8
720.
720 45.
So how you'll write? 90 into
90 into 8 plus 45.
This is odd or even?
Even, sir.
Even means tan remains as
First
tan.
quadrant. Tan.
Tan remains as tan only. Tan 45.
Tan 45.
Tan 45 is how much? 1.
1.
Now 8. 8 divided with 4.
Third quadrant, sir.
Third
Hey,
quadrant,
wait.
sir.
No.
First quadrant.
Yeah, zero
First quadrant.
rotations over first quadrant. In first quadrant, all silver
All are
teacups.
Positive.
all are positive.
All are positive. Very good, Vikram. Good confidence levels. Very. I appreciate you. Next question, who will tell?
Sir, Neeraj.
Neeraj. Very good. Neeraj, I want cot 675. Cot 675. Big angles.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Divide with 675 with 90.
675 divided by 90.
7, sir.
7, sir.
Okay, very good.
630. So 45.
So what should I write?
So 90 into
90 into
7 plus 45.
7 is odd, even.
Odd, sir.
Odd means cot will become
Tan, sir.
tan 45 is
Tan 45. 1.
now it is in which quadrant? Divide with 7, 4 ones are 4, 3. 3
Fourth quadrant,
over
sir.
3 quadrants over 3 quadrants over. This is in
Fourth
fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, E is cot positive and negative. In fourth quadrant, cot positive and negative.
Negative.
Negative, sir.
Negative.
Negative,
Only
sir.
cos and secant are positive. So cot is negative. Answer is -1. Okay, children. Are you people getting any confusion, children?
No,
If
sir.
you do some sums
sir.
on your own, you will understand, children. Okay, next who will tell?
So
Can
me
I-
last one.
So can I try?
Lasya. Okay, Lasya. Next question. 1 second, I'll give another question for you. 1 second. Question is big angles we will take. Sine 1845. Lasya. Sine 1845. Yes,
Yes,
Nana?
sir.
Yeah. Divide, Nana.
20,
Uh,
sir.
Wait,
1800.
Nana, Vikram, please. Your chance is over.
180, 45, yeah. So 90 into 2 plus 45. 2 is even, so it's in
Sine
will be
remains as?
sign only.
Okay,
Sine
sine
45.
45
Sir,
how
is
much?
20.
Sine 45.
No. Okay.
Sir,
okay.
19 to 20
20.
करते 19
Yeah.
to 20.
Yeah, 90 into 20, Nana. Sorry. I'm very sorry. Very good. Thank you so much for everyone helping. 90 into 20. Okay. Sine 45, how much, Amma?
It's 1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. Now, 20 is in which quadrant?
First quadrant.
Why first quadrant? 0 is the remainder. Rotations over. This is in first quadrant. First quadrant, all are
Positive, so it's plus 1
it's
by root 2.
positive. Last question for the day. Who will tell?
Sir, can I say?
Nandita,
Can-
yes. 1 second, I'll give a question for you, Ma. Okay, 1 second. Sometimes they will ask like this also. You should not get confusion. Tan 11 pi by 6. Nandika, you know how to do this? Pi means what? Pi means what, children? Anyone?
20.
1.4.
180. Pi means how much, children? 180. So how much, Amma?
30, sir.
Means how much?
330.
So
330.
330 means tan 330. Can you
Tan
help me?
330.
Okay.
Yes.
Tan 330. How you will write, Amma?
90 into 1.
90 into 2. 3s are. 270.
3 plus.
This
3
is odd. Okay. So
Sir, it changes to cot. Cot 60.
cot 60 is how much?
Cot 60 is 1 by root 2.
Root 3.
Oh, sorry,
So
root 3.
1 by root 3. 3 rotations over. This is in 3 quadrants over. This is in
Fourth quadrant.
fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, is tan positive or negative? In fourth
Negative.
quadrant, negative. So answer is minus, because in fourth quadrant only cos and secant are positive in fourth quadrant. Children, did you all understand? If ever they give 11 pi by 6, take pi as 180 and means they gave in radians. Radians to degrees you have to convert. That's all. Children, is it okay or you want me to tell one more sum?
It's okay, sir.
I hope you all understood.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so children, odd means sine will become cos, cos will become sine. Even means it remains same. And we have to select which quadrant it is coming by dividing with the 4 children. 0 coming means first quadrant. Remainder 1 coming means second quadrant. Remainder 2 coming means third quadrant. Remainder 3 coming means fourth quadrant. Like that, you should assign children. Okay, and you have to find out. You have to put plus. And in first quadrant, all are positive. In second quadrant, sine and cosecant, all silver teacups. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. In fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive. Remaining all are negative. Like that, you have to do, children. This very, very important sums in higher classes, children. For 10th class level, it is not important. I accept. But for in 11th class, this is the basics. They will start with trigonometry, children, in the trigonometry. Okay, I hope you understood. In the description of this video, I will give 30-40 sums, children. If you want, you can practice, children. It's very good. Thank you so much, children.